Hi, this is Pinky, and I wanted to share something with you that I find truly decreases stress and increases not only productivity, but increases the quality of my work. And that's simply how I dress when I get ready to do a certain task. So I will tell you this morning, I did not wake up like this. In fact, I rolled out of bed, scrubbed my teeth, put on a sweatshirt, pulled on a hat, and went directly to the next room to have a meeting via Zoom with a couple of teammates. Now I will tell you, they were dressed pretty much the same. We were all super casual and comfy, grateful that we could meet remotely, and we got a lot of work done. And I happen to know that at least two of us got extra sleep because we didn't have to do all of this. And that's really important, to get plenty of sleep. However, my next appointment today is with a brand new client who I'm doing virtual organizing for. And so I needed to jump in the shower, curl my hair, put on some makeup, put on a beautiful scarf, because I want her to know that I love and respect her goals for making her home organized and beautiful, and that I'm going to show up dressed the way that she wants her home to feel and to look. And so intentionality and beauty and order really make a difference in our lives. And so I would really recommend to you that you think about, how casual can I be now to feel really good and comfortable? And do I need to spruce things up a little bit, whether it's with what I'm wearing or how I'm doing my hair or what the table looks like? A beautiful, well-set table as we enjoy more meals at home. All of these things make a difference. And it may sound pretty superficial, and I am a woman from the South, so it's part of how I was raised. But I will tell you that truly taking that time to let yourself and your family and your colleagues, whomever you're interacting with, know that you love and respect them and you are doing your very best to be with them, I think it makes a difference. And I know it makes me feel totally different. I am very grateful that I know, okay, I'm dressed a certain way, I have a certain type of tailored feel to me, and I'm going to be much more strategic in my work and my thought process. But if I need to be more collaborative and cozy and think a little, maybe more tactical, I'm going to be dressed differently. And that really does make a difference in my productivity. And it's fun to take time to pick which scarf is the one you want to wear and which lip gloss do you want to wear. So have fun, be intentional, decrease your stress, increase your productivity, and enjoy a beautiful, organized home. Take good care.